Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys with low porosity hair how to weekly deep condition your hair, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that with coffee and rice water. Here's my rice water mixture. This is a mixture of rice water, lime juice and carrot oil, and this is coffee basically. Don't mind that it's small, it's about to finish, so yeah. And I'm going to show you guys how to use it with, well, because we are low porosity, we need heat to make our hair grow more, in the sense that if your hair is of low porosity, you won't hair products won't easily get into your hair strands, your hair cuticles. So no matter how much products you rub on your hair, they'll just roll into beads and drop off. So that means your hair, it doesn't penetrate into your hair strands basically. So you need heat in order to make them penetrate into your hair strands and let them start working. So I'm going to show you guys how to use that. And what I'm going to be using a hair dryer. I actually ordered this hair dryer on Jumia because I left my 2 hair dryers in school and this pandemic period. So here's my hair dryer, very portable and foldable. Yeah, it came with a hair straightener basically. This is it, and it's powerful too. And I also ordered a hair dryer cap on Jumia. This is very nice and big. If you can see it, this is how it looks like, and it's very helpful for your weekly deep conditioning as for low porosity hair. First of all, actually I want to use my rice water mixture on my hair for my weekly deep condition. So I'm going to shake it so that everything mixes. I start spraying on my hair. Now that's done, I put the hair dryer cap on my hair. Let's get to it. Now I have plugged my hair dryer to the socket. I haven't put it on yet, but I'll put it on now so I see how this will swell. So you can leave this on your head for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you can put it off. But I'm going to go for 15 minutes because heat is necessary for us with low porosity hair, okay? So when you try this, tell me how it goes. And okay, yes, I want to quickly give you all a hack if you can't get this hair dryer cap. So guys, I'm done, and that is basically it. So guys, before I continue my hack, if you are going to use that hair dryer, please, or if you are going to do this hack, tie something around your head, maybe a scarf, tie it like this, okay? Because the heat is going to literally fry your skin. My ears are on fire. So just do something like this around your head with your scarf, and then you can now put the hair dryer on top of your head, something like this. So it will just focus on your hair mainly and not on your skin. That's it. And now my hack. So first, here is the kind of nylon you need. Something as big as this. Something as big as this. Then open the middle. So you see the way I tore the middle. Open it like this. Don't make it too big, just make it a tiny tear. Then put your hair dryer inside. After putting it, use a rubber band, but I prefer that you use something to tie it, like a rope or a shoelace to tie it. And tie it very well, please, so that it doesn't slip off or something. So tie it very, very well. I'm tying it. Should I wear my wig back, or I look good like this? I might just rock my scattered natural all back. Then after this, then you can put this on your head. But don't forget I said that you should use your scarf on your head, okay? So now tie the scarf around your forehead basically. Okay, you know, tie it like this. So this is a quick hack for you. So tie it just once, then put the nylon on your head. Don't worry, this will work, it will work. Then tie the nylon at the back. Don't forget this is here, so tie it at the back. You see what I'm doing? Then tie it again to meet each other. So at least two things are being tied, do not forget. So this is a quick way to actually dry your hair if you can't get that hair dryer cap. Don't mind me, only God knows what I'm talking about doing this thing. But now that this is done, I suggest that you like put a hole, at least one hole, so that your hair is not all steamed at once. Just cut it a little bit. Did I cut it? I did. Okay, good. So now that I've done this, I can put my, you can see what it looks like, yeah? Okay, good. Now I'll plug my hair dryer, then put it on. Watch it swell. See it? I don't think I tied it back very well, that's fine. But this is what it will look like basically. Okay? Anyhow, thank you for watching my video. I love you.